Hi guys, so in this video we're going to see how we can actually navigate between two screens. So here's a demo of the application that we have. This is a basic application. So with this one, this just returning two widgets, so which is the text widget and an elevated button with a child of text saying next. So when you press here, it moves us to another screen which only returns a centered text saying next screen. So without getting much into it, let's get started. So we're going to reload this. So what we have to get started, what we have is the main dot returning a home page. So this is the home page basically. So let's wait this to hot restart so that we can get going. So inside here, what I have, so I can just clear this right now so that we can just get started from here. So say scaffold, we just retain a scaffold. And I don't think we just retain a scaffold with a body. So inside the body, we'll put a column. So say column. So inside the column, it's going to have children. So say children. Sorry about this. Children. Then the children. The first child will say the text that will say home screen, I would say. So this text says home screen. My computer is actually taking a long time because of the many programs I have open. Okay, home screen. So let's just refresh because this is the previous step that it was in. So while that is loading, so we have to align this to the center. So we say inside the column, we say main axis alignment. So again, we say main axis alignment, then we align it to center. And dot center. So what this does is it centers this text here, but I think it will just drop it down here because we have to like center this text again. Yes. So we can actually just wrap this with the center widget. Let's see what happens. Okay, yeah. So the next child that we have inside this column is we'll put a button that we'll use like we had in the previous app. So we say an elevated button. We use an elevated button. So this one has two arguments. So this is the first one. The first argument is where we put the logic. Then the second argument, that's where we put the child, which might be a text or an icon. So you can put any of that. So we say next. Then to test this, we can let's try to print something just to test if this is working. Print. We'll say print next page. So let's try to refresh this. Okay, so the button is showing there. The button is right there. So let's try to say, yeah, it prints in the console. So this is not what we're here to do. Let's try to put the logic. So we say Navigator dot push, which takes a context. Then we'll say MaterialPageRoute, which has a builder. So again, this will take in a context text. Then we name the page where we want to route to, where we want to navigate to. So say our page is next screen. Then we put a semicolon here. So let's try to reload this. Okay. Then next. So you see we have a blank page currently. So it's just retaining a blank scaffold. So we say body. So inside that body, we'll actually just put in another column like we had done in the previous one. So a column which would take children. I think this one we just have a text child, a child of text. Let's say next screen. Then we can center this with the main axis. Oh no, nothing here. We do this inside the column. So say main axis alignment. Alignment to center. So there we go, guys. Then again, we can just wrap this like we had done previously. We can just wrap this inside a center widget. So Flutter actually gives you suggestions. If you click on this quick fix bulb, so you can choose any widget that it gives up there, or you can just specify your own widget. So say we reload this, yeah, centers it. So let's try to restart the app to see if everything is working before we conclude this. So as this is loading, there are actually two approaches of how we can go on this. So the first one is this one. In this current one, I'm showing you how you can use this navigator, this approach here. And the other approach, you can use routes. So I'm going to show you that in the next video. So this is working, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.